We're reviewing the DEWALT DW735 lunchbox planer. I like this planer because it came with in-feed tables and out-feed tables on the back end here. It also came with an extra set of blades. It has easy up and down adjustment depending on the thickness of your material. You also have two different options here in terms of finishing cuts, which is 179 cuts per inch, or dimensioning. This is for whenever you're working with rough lumber at 96 cuts per inch. In the middle here, you have your material removal gauge. Once you put your material in, this little bar here will adjust and show you how much material that you're going to remove whenever you're running it through the planer. Power button's easy and adjustable right here. And then we have the tool right here on top as well. And here we have the outfeed table, the other table on the other side that we're showing. This exhaust for this one is powered, so you don't need a powered exhaust or collection system in order. This one will push through. I actually use it with a small wet dry vac to fill it up, and it works perfectly.